So I'm just going to go through the house stationery ordering form again for you. I've freshened it up so it's slightly more better, and I will explain to you how it works again. Now, the first page that you come to when you go to the Google site is the latest news. So so on your Google form, if you actually have anything to announce to the partners, you just put it into the news tab. Just type it in here and just put the word show, and this will bring it up onto here. You really should make use of it. So once you have done that, you should really hide this. So when you hide it, when this actually refresh itself, it will disappear. But let me just put back on show. Now about the pick, you're saying that there are a lot. So what you can do is use the filter button and and just deselect all the one that you don't need anymore. Deselect. Just get rid of the tick. I will get rid of it until 2000 and well, um, we're we're in April now, so I would leave. Oh no, we're not in April. We're in September. Sorry, I press OK. So now, oh, and I will also get rid of the demo and also formula. Get rid of that, and then OK. Now everything is hidden. Um, you know what? Let me get rid of August as well. It's actually September the 4th, but there seem to be a lot of August. But if you want to see August again, all you have to do is go like this and then find August 2021 and then tick it. Tick it like this and then OK, and then August will appear. So you just have to keep on using this to get rid of what you don't want to see. And then for this one is actually rather good. Pick a line that you wanted to look at. So let's just say 3375 from here, okay, from lighting department. Nadia, what was that again? 3375. Type it into here, 3375, and then enter. And here you will have what you request in on page, and there are up to 20 requests. Okay, so 20 requests. So if you actually add that 20 20 20, and then here you can actually see 20 requests at a time. Here also 3375, enter, and then you have actually see what you have chosen that you have got stock of to pick. Yeah, so this is how you use it. I noticed it was in back in 1000, so you haven't used this function for a long time. Well, I hope this will be useful. If you have any question, do ask me. But my suggestion is just have it as a round number, because if you have it round number, you know when you add 20, it will be 3380, and then 33. Yeah, you just add 20. That would be even better, in my opinion. Yeah. So this these two pages actually just look up uh the pick. So instead of looking at a few thousand lines, you can actually just look at 20 lines in one go. I hope that will be useful. Thank you very much. Goodbye.